Hello friends, in this video we're going to be looking at a survival bow that's so compact that you can throw it in your quiver with the rest of your arrows. Stick around. As I'm sure many of you know, I try to cover everything here on 411 Outdoors. If it's anything to do with weaponry, survival, outdoor gear, I want to cover it here on the channel. We talk about firearms, knives, slingshots, shepherd slinging, tomahawk throwing, and yes, we even talk about archery. I love me some archery. One of the things I do in particular as an archer is I incorporate it into a lot of my weapons training. I love sneak archery and different things like that. People love archery for a lot of different reasons. For some, it's a wonderful sport. For others, it's for hunting and survival. Archery is also a very historical weapon of warfare. And that's what I love so much about marksmanship of every kind, is it doesn't have to just be one thing. It can be a little bit of everything. For the longest time, I've had my eyes on this. This is the compact folding survival bow. Man, this thing is so cool. Let me open this up here for you. Let you get a look at it here. This is a 60-inch folding survival bow. It actually comes delivered in a very tight package. It's like a tube. You look at it and you think, man, how are they putting a bow inside of that? Well, that's what makes this thing so special. You can pick this up in 40 to 60 pound draw weights. I went ahead and went with the 40 pound draw weight, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the string on this right now. This is for right-hand shooters. And you kind of gotta do like usual and bring this thing in like this, kind of slap it on this way. Here we go, look at there. We're ready to roll. Give you a look at this from top to bottom. Very, very basic and compact. Now, this is 60 inches altogether. When it's folded up, it's 23 inches. The limbs are 19.69 inches. The bow riser material is 6061 aluminum alloy, and the limbs are made from fiberglass. The limbs are locked in with these knobs down here. Now the question is, how well does it shoot, and how well do I shoot it? This is an instinctive bow, so that's what you got to work with. All right, not bad for my first shot. I like it. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. Not too bad for the first few shots. I'm going to continue working on it and dialing it in, but this is a smooth shooting bow. I absolutely love how light and compact this is, and it really does shoot nicely. There we go. I'll tell you what, my friends, if you ever wondered how these things handle and how well they shoot, they do very well. And what's so awesome about this is you can break this down and take it anywhere. And even better, I only paid 130 bucks for it. And I would definitely put this in the category of zombie apocalypse bow. There's a closer look at the arrow rest for those who wanted to see that. You can just search CFSB bow, and several different vendors sell these. I got mine from huntingdoor.com. The bow only weighs 2.20 pounds. I'm probably going to get the 60-pound version of this as well, even though both can do a lot of damage. A while back, I made a video talking about how I attach these old flimsy throwing knives to a practice arrow. Let's give this thing a shot. I actually shoot these into a wooden target. Oh yeah. These are for close distance shots, but you can tell how hard it hits that wooden target. You could do anything with this. I mean, you could keep one of these things in the car. And when you're done doing what you gotta do, just take the string off. It comes off super easy. And then you can fold these up, just turn these little knobs in. You can fold the limb up here, turn this knob. All right, friends. It's all packed up and ready to go. I'm just gonna slip this right down into the quiver, and I got the bowstring in one of the pockets. All right, that brings us to a conclusion. What can I say? This is a very simple bow. There's not a whole lot to talk about, but that's why I bought it. I wanted something sharp and simple that could shoot really good, that would be very easy to carry around. This thing's like a prepper's dream, man. People who are wanting to be all packed up and ready to go and wanting to pack light, this is perfect for you. It may be compact and it may be light, but it gets the job done. It shoots smooth and powerful. It's just a great piece of equipment. I'll put some links in the description for you to go and check it out. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you have a bow like this? What has been your experience with it? Do you ever hunt with it? How do you enjoy working with it? Thanks so much for watching. Take care.